So you've been online and you've done a public record search, or you went on Google and you found some information that has revealed to you that your doctor has been sued for medical malpractice before. And now you think that this same doctor, your doctor, has committed malpractice on you. Can you now go ahead and tell the jury this fact and use this as evidence to show that your doctor did in fact commit malpractice in your situation? Want to know the answer to this question? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello guys, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland. And I would like to talk with you today quickly about that question. Can you inform the jury that your doctor has been sued for medical malpractice before? Well, before I answer that question, let me go ahead and give you some background, because this background may help you understand the answer to this question. Maryland law requires that to be successful in these types of cases, a medical malpractice case or a childbirth injury case, what the law requires is that you have a medical expert who will testify as to the standard of care in your situation. And that medical expert will testify and give an opinion as to whether or not your treating doctor fell below the standard of care causing your injury. Now, your experts, they will come to this conclusion by, of course, reviewing your medical records and, if need be, doing an examination of you. So that's where we are in the background. Remember, you got to have this medical expert. It's going to talk about the standard of care, whether your treating doctor fell below that standard of care, and by falling below the standard of care, this is what caused your injury. Okay, we've got that out of the way. Now, let's go to that issue of your doctor being sued before, or there's an allegation of medical malpractice in the past. If you go back and you think about what I just said in regards to the basics and what you have to prove, where in that analysis do you see any reference to whether the doctor has committed malpractice in the past? I'm going to wait. Yeah, that's right. It's not there. That's not relevant in these cases. What your doctor did in the past, in general, that's not going to be important. The jury and Maryland law, what they want you to do is they want you to focus on the facts in this case. That's what they want you to do. They want the jury to listen to what happened in your case, not what happened in the past. The case is about what you have going on. And again, whether your doctor fell below the standard of care in your situation. What the doctor did in another case, more than likely that's going to be irrelevant. And if you try to bring that up, the other side is going to be ready to shoot that down. Now, so why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this very important information? Because I'm trying to give you insight into the Maryland medical malpractice process. I'm trying to help you understand the important elements that you have to prove in these types of cases and why certain things are going to be irrelevant most of the time. If you have more questions, this is what I invite you to do. Maybe you're watching this video right now because you think that your injury by a doctor was medical malpractice, or maybe you're watching this video because your child has suffered an injury at birth and now you know it's time to talk with someone. Again, this is what I invite you to do, guys, and remember, it costs you absolutely nothing to take this next action, and that is to go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland childbirth injury and medical malpractice questions like yours all the time, and I'll be glad to take some time and listen to your story. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC. And we will see you next time. Guys, take care and enjoy the rest of your day.